So last time around with the Fruit Loop challenge with all 3 Roombas, the big winner was Chrissy, who's the oldest of the Roombas. Roger, who I used the most, managed to drive himself off the table. So we're going to line them up instead of a circle configuration, and I kind of thought that it would be more fun if there was a really unreasonably large quantity of cereal on the table. Because we do want this to be kid-friendly, we're going to make this as messy as possible. Well, I'd say if you looked at the floor, you'd say that things went pretty well, because there is a lot of cereal on the floor. The table's not doing too bad either, so let's... Oh, look at that. Let's see each of them and how they did. So this is Roger. Ooh, Roger. Still not great. Let's Good job, Avery. Nice mix. And there it is again. I would say Chrissy is the clear winner. Good job, Chrissy. I'm very proud of you.